Today, I'll be showing you how to do these pretty flower nails. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You will need a dotting tool and some sponge type material, white, blue, and orange polish. Now I'm going to put this white polish on my sponge, and I'm so excited you guys get to see this new design that I created. Now I'm going to take my dotting tool with the orange polish and make a flower. So out of focus here, and I couldn't tell you why. Now you'll see me use my little handy dotting tool again to add blue polka dots to accentuate the orange on the nails. I was super excited with how they turned out. They are so pretty. I love it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.